A very good morning, children. How are you? I hope everyone are good and safe at home. Welcome to class 1. I'm your teacher of environment science. Today, I'm going to teach you lesson 9 fairs and festivals. Already we completed 8 lessons, children. This is ninth lesson video 1. What is our topic today, children? Fairs and festivals. Fairs and festivals. Okay. See, do you like festivals, children? Do you like it? Yes, everyone are like festivals. Festivals are very special days, isn't it? Festivals are very special days, no? We are wearing new dresses. We are preparing different sweets. We are eating that. We are sharing the sweets. Is it right? See, festivals are very special days. People wear new clothes. Everyone has lots of fun on these days. We have lots of fun no, on the festivals days because we wear new dresses, we meet with our friends, relatives, so that we have lots of fun. See this picture, children. Can you identify what is that picture? What is that festival? What is that festival? Yes, it is Diwali. What is this festival, children? It is Diwali. On this day, we wear new clothes and we are lighting the diyas, candles, and we burst the crackers. We'll meet with our friends and relatives. So we have lots of fun. Is it right? Everyone like this Diwali festival. Is it right, children? I like very much. Do you like it? See, here Diya picture is given. See, Diwali is a festival of lights. People light candles and diyas. They give sweets and gifts to their friends and relatives. Diwali is a festival of lights. Why it is called as Festival of Lights, children? On Diwali day, we are lighting the candles and diyas, so that it called as Festival of Lights. See, people light candles and diyas. They give sweets and gifts to their friends and relatives. Yes, on this day, people give sweets and gifts to their friends and relatives. Okay, so Diwali is called as Festival of Lights. On this day, we burst crackers, we wear new clothes, we'll meet with our friends. Is it right? So, Diwali is called as Festival of Lights. Now see this picture. Which festival it is? Can anyone identify it? Yes, it is Eid. What is this, children? It is Eid. See here, some symbol is given, moon and star. It is symbol of Ramzan, right? See, that is here also it is there. See this, children? Okay. Eid. Eid is a Muslim festival. It is a Muslim festival. Muslims are celebrate this Eid festival. See, on Eid, people go to mosque to pray. Muslims are go to mosque to pray. Okay. They wish each other Eid Mubarak. They wish each other Eid Mubarak. We are also wishing like that, no, children? On Diwali day, what will wish? Happy Diwali or Happy Dasra, Happy Sankranti. Like that way, different on different festivals, we are wishing like that, no? Like this way, Muslims also wish them each other Eid Mubarak. Okay. Now see this, children. See this picture. Who is he? Can anyone identify? Yes, he's a Santa Claus. Who is he? He's a Santa Claus. Santa Claus, when we'll see him? On Christmas Day. On Christmas Day, we'll see the Santa Claus. Okay. So what is this festival? It is Christmas. What is this festival, children? It is Christmas. See, it is Christmas tree. What is this? It is Christmas tree. We should decorate this tree. We'll put a star on this tree. See here, star is there. So, Christmas is celebrated 25th December on every year. Why we are celebrating Christmas on that day? No, Jesus Christ birthday. So that Christians are celebrate Christmas. So Christmas is celebrated by Christians. It is a Christian festival. They are celebrate this Christmas. On this day, they are going to church and they pray the God. Okay, they decorated the trees. Okay, next on the Christmas day, no, Santa Claus will come. He will give gifts to the children. Okay, see, Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. On this day, Christmas tree is decorated. See here, tree is decorated now. It is called Christmas tree. On this day, Christmas tree is decorated. Children are happy because Santa Claus gives them gifts on that day. Children are very happy. Why? Because Santa Claus gives gifts to them. That's why children are feel very happy. Do you know, children? In Telugu, no, what we'll call Santa Claus? In Telugu, we'll call Christmas Tata. Okay. So Santa Claus gives gifts to the children. So they feel very happy. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. On this day, Christmas tree is decorated. Children are happy because Santa Claus gives gifts on that day. Now see this, children. What is this? It is Gurudwara. What is this? Gurudwara. Six temple. Six are pray in this. Okay. Gurupurab. Gurupurab is a sixth festival. Sixth festival. Every year, Gurupurab is celebrated on Guru Nanak Dev Ji's birthday. On Guru Nanak Dev Ji's birthday, Gurupurab is celebrated every year. On Gurupurab, people pray in Gurudwaras. On Gurupurab, people pray in Gurudwaras. Okay, fairs are held and free food is given to all. On the Gurupurab day, no, fairs are held nearby Gurudwaras. Fairs means Santalu. Santalu. In Telugu, we'll call as Santa. And they give free food to the people whoever comes to the Gurudwaras, they give free food on Gurupurab day. Okay, free food is called as langar. See, langar. Free food is called as langar. On Gurudwara, in Gurudwaras, people give free food to the people on Gurupurab day. Okay. Now these are the festivals, children. See, people are celebrating these festivals. Not only this, Sankranti, Dashara, Holi and different festivals are celebrated. And festivals are celebrated area-wise also. As for example, in Andhra and Telangana areas, no, people are celebrated Sankranti. But in Kerala, they are celebrated Onam and In different states, different festivals also there. Those are called local festivals. They are celebrating that. Now we are talking about national festivals. What is that? National festivals. What are the national festivals, you know, children? National festivals means everyone can celebrate these festivals. Means uh, it is not related to local festival or state wise or caste, creed, religion wise. Every people can celebrate these national festivals. Those are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. These three are national festivals. See children, what is this? Independence Day. See here flag is there. Okay, children are enjoying here. One boy is holding the balloons. See, Independence Day is celebrated August 15th, 15th August every year. See, Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. Why we celebrated this? Because we got independence on that day. That's why people are celebrated this Independence Day. On this day we are hosting the flag. Okay, in the schools, offices, everywhere we can host the flags. On that day people are singing the national songs, and they are participating, and they are celebrating some cultural programs. Okay, like this way people are enjoying on this day. Now second one is, what is this? Republic Day. Second one is Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. Every year, 26th January, people celebrated this one. In this day also, we are host the flags. In the schools, offices, everywhere, people can host the flags. Okay. Now, Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti. We are celebrating this on 2nd October every year. Gandhi Jayanti means Mahatma Gandhiji's birthday. He is a great freedom fighter. Okay. We call him as Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. His birthday is 2nd October. We are celebrating this as national festival. Okay. National festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, children. This is for today. We will meet in the next video. Okay, children. Festivals are not only about good food, new clothes, and fun. They also help us spread love and bring people closer. Okay, children. Now it is assignment time. Name any three festivals. Any three festivals you can write. For example, Diwali, Dasara, Shankranti, or Guru Purab, Christmas, Eid, whatever it may be, any three you can write. Now name any three national festivals. Three national festivals are there, no children? Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. These three national festivals are, you can write. Okay, children? This is for today. We will meet in the next video. Thank you, children. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.